another episode of Cooking with Kevin and Chemistry. Today we're going to be making energy chew blocks. We have several ingredients here that we're going to show you to begin, and Hannah will be our model. First of all, we're going to use a half a tablespoon of ground coffee.
Example A.
And then we'll be using half a bar of dark chocolate.
Example B.
1 tablespoon of peanut butter.
Example C.
Half a banana.
Example D.
1 ounce of chia seeds.
Example E.
2 cups of coconut water.
Example F.
And 1 tablespoon of agar.
Example G. Yeah, G.
And finally, 1/4 teaspoon of agave.
Example H.
All right, let's get started.
So, Hannah, what are you doing?
This, here we have the 2 cups of coconut water. I will then pour that into a medium-sized bowl. And then, now I will add 1 tablespoon of agar to the coconut water mix.
Should we talk about what agar is?
Agar, which I'm stirring right now with coconut water, is a gelling agent that comes from seaweed, and you can find it in all different types of gels,
Custards,
puddings, that kind of fun stuff. Half a banana, half a bar of dark chocolate.
And we're going to add 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. And then 1/6 of a cup of chia seeds. Okay.
And a half a teaspoon of ground coffee.
Hannah's going to add a half of cup of coconut water to our mixture so that it'll be able to blend much easier in the mixer.
What he said.
Do low first.
Go.
It's on low. Next step is that we're going to take our coconut water and agar mix and put it into a saucepan on high and wait for medium low, I'm sorry, and wait for it to boil.
So agar is a hydrocolloid, and it's a binding agent. So by heating it, we're going to be able to allow it to stick all the polymers together and really help bring our bars together once we add all the other ingredients. As you can see, the agar mixture is starting to bubble, so it's about time to add the rest of our ingredients to this pot.
As we've been noticing, the substance is not binding as much as we would like it to, so we are going to add a few more teaspoons of agar into the mix to see if it will gelify a little bit more. Here's one. It's beginning to gel, so as you can see, that's what we have. Okay, that's what we have there. We're going to add the rest of our mixture into the agar container.
It's hard to see with all the steam.
Alright, so we just finished bringing our mixture to a boil. You see that this mixture is quite thick, much more so than it was in the blender because we have added our binding agent.
Quite viscous. To test what it's gonna be like, we're just gonna put a tiny little sample in there and let it cool.
All right, so we're gonna start adding the rest of our mixture to the ice tray, and already as it's cooling, we can see it thickening. Action.
So we just took these out of the fridge for about cooling for about 30 minutes or so, and as you can see, they look pretty good. They're not falling out. Let's see if we take one out. And here you have it, a perfectly shaped little energy chew. You can, if you look closely, you can see the chia seeds in it, some coffee grinds. It's pretty easy to break apart. As you can see, it's not fully cooled on the inside, but here you have it. So when you're running, you can pause every couple miles and have one of these, and I guess I'll try it. It's actually not bad. It tastes, you can really taste the banana. It's like pretty chewy. It's pretty chewy. The peanut butter banana is really strong, but I just like to know that they're so nutritious. There's no artificial flavors or ingredients in this, and they're pretty easable, transportable. You put them in a Ziploc bag, you put them in a fanny pack, and you're good to go on your run. So that's all the time we have today with Cooking with Kevin and Chemistry, and for now, stay tuned for the next episode.
Because we had extra, we decided to put it in a thin sheet, and then we would have the ability to cut it and either put them into like roll-up strips or thinner gels if needed. So as you can see, it is incredibly gelatinous and very malleable. From here, we're going to cut these into thin strips and go from there. Oh my god, it cuts like butter.
You know, like pull up a strip once it's done.
Yeah. And there you have it. When cleaning the bowl, this is what our substance came out as. As you can tell, it's incredibly gelatinous and almost looks and resembles something along the lines of a fruit roll-up.
Yum. Ah. Oh, is it recording?
The bar is going
Wait,
to add how much agar?
1 tablespoon.
1 tablespoon of agar. Can I have a stirry?
Yeah. I'll just get you a second. Are you still recording right now?
Yes.
This is gonna be recorded. Tell me like action.
Action.
Hello everybody and welcome to This is horrible.
Agar or agar.
1. Action.
And a half a
It's funny. Oops. Okay, that's okay.